Good morning, second graders. Today we're going to work on our spelling station assignment. So go ahead and get your spelling station book and open up to pages 52 and 53 so that you can follow along. After you finish watching my video, remember that you can either complete this assignment by completing the slides 3 through 6 using text boxes to add your answers, or by doing the work on pages 52 and 53 of your spelling station book, and then taking a picture of your work to send to your teacher. Either way, once you finish your assignment, don't forget to turn it in on Google Classroom. Let's get started on page 52. Our station rule this week is, the sound OR can be spelled in many different ways. The most common spelling patterns for the OR sound are OR as in fork and ORE as in more. Let's read the words in the word bank. Go ahead and read with me. Fork, short, born, horse, morning, storm, sort, corn, thorn, story. I want to show you how to use the dictionary in Google Slides, just in case you need to look up a word. To use the dictionary in Google Slides, click on Tools and then Dictionary. And you'll see a search bar pop up on this side of the screen. Let's say I want to look up the word thorn. Type it, press enter, and then you can see that thorn is a noun that means a stiff, sharp-pointed, straight or curved, woody projection on the stem or other part of a plant. And below you can see synonyms. Remember, synonyms are words that have the same definition. A synonym for thorn is prickle or spike. And then I can see, oh, here's the thorn on a rose bush. So the dictionary can be a helpful tool if you're not sure the meaning of a word. Go ahead and practice using the dictionary in Google Slides today. If you're working in your book, don't forget to underline the OR spelling pattern in the words in the word bank. Then you need to complete the sentences using the OR words. I'll read the sentences for you. A. I pricked my finger on a B. At the weekend, I rode a C. In the I will go to school. D. I ate my chips using a And here I put a picture of French fries because the word chips actually means French fries. In some other countries, they use the word chips to mean French fries. E. The tree blew down in the Use the word bank to help you fill out the sentences. If you'd like, you can complete the challenge. Can you write a few sentences using OR words? Watch out. The OR sound can be spelled in 12 different ways depending on your accent. Some more examples are OAR as in soar, double OR as in door, and OUR as in pour. Let's go to page 53. The words in the word bank on page 53, you will notice have the ORE spelling. Let's read them together. More, score, before, war, shore, tour, store, snore, core, and chore. I put the definitions of core and chore on the side to help you. The last part of your assignment today is to complete the sentences using ORE words. Here are your sentences. A. When I sleep, I do not, B. I enjoyed my dinner and I asked for, C. We wash our hands, we eat. D. The winning, was 12. E. I accidentally, my book. You could complete the challenge on page 53 if you would like.